So yeah, this is a great little solution. Pi02 W. Fully multitasking, little desktop environment. You can do a lot of stuff on it. And let's play the game. More importantly, let's see how it performs. Now it's rendering this at 640 by 512. So most games will be upscaled. Let's see how smooth it is. So yeah, whoa, you can tell, no problem whatsoever. But let's change games and have a few, look at a few different ones. Body Blows Galactic, how about that? That wasn't what I intended to do. Right, try Body Blows AGA. There you go.
Dan versus YouTube. Fight.
So yeah, let's find another one. We'll have a look at Rygar. Ah, this has got the file with the bad copper. Yeah, this is my bad one, hold on. Okay, we'll try Rygar again on another version of this emulator. You can see now the text looks normal. Yeah, that's the problem before, we had some bad code. This looks great. Plays both buttons are maps, and using a generic Xbox type clone wireless controller. It's all plug and play, no drivers required. Yeah, the colours in this are great. So, okay, what else can we try? Can't remember if I showed Aladdin running. So again, this is this little thing here. It's a USB hub running off it. Mini HDMI cable. Official power supply, gives enough power to it, and yeah, you've got yourself a good old Amiga 1200. You can tell this is just running smooth and fast. pause and well, I should just try an AGA demo and see how that goes. It doesn't look particularly correct. There you go.